Yo, what's going on? This is Ram team.
We're going to pick up some parts for the Focus right now. Polo didn't sell, sadly, but it didn't sell. See, next one we'll buy it, guaranteed. For now, peace out.
Don't forget to subscribe.
I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance?
We've been trying to locate the grill for the Ford Focus all over Ireland. We couldn't get it. Honestly, like, I called every scrapyard there was, they didn't have it. So here I am traveling fucking hour and a half just to get a fucking grill for the damn Focus. I'm gonna pay more for the gas.
We'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again.
So the Ford is basically fucked. I don't know what's up with it. It doesn't want to crank. It doesn't want to start. It doesn't want to jump from jump leads. We try pulling, pushing, nothing helps. So I don't know what we're gonna do with it now. But we got 2 days to figure it out. We got technical inspection in 2 days. This will never let you down. Like Leo.
So we checked every single fuse. None of them was broken or anything. Then we took out injectors to see if cylinders are flooded. They weren't. Check starter. We tried jump leading the car. We tried pushing the car. And this is what happens.
Nothing happens.
And bored, that's how you feel. You went so far away. You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why.
No, pogledaj.
We still play as we were friends. I hope somehow I always will meet again. It's time to care. We should just share love one day.
A few moments later.
Right, so I went all through these fuses. All of them are good, each and single one of them. I checked every fuse over here, even relays, everything checked, swapped, tried, nothing. The battery was jump leaded. We changed 3 batteries already, same problem. The engine doesn't want to turn over at all. We took out injectors to see if the cylinders are flooded. It's not. We tried pulling the car. The engine is locked. The wheels just lock up themselves. These are the injectors there. We're stuck now. We don't know what else to do. The starter works. Alternator is good. Thought it could be clutch switch. We bypassed that.
10 seconds later.
Yeah, out here fixing Ford. The goats got away.
Run.
Look at this, we got them. Remember his name? Black. Давай. Погнали.
We will just love like anyone. A brand new start. Only made for you and me.
Later that same evening.
I wish this dream could be real. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were framed. I hope so